गुरु अब मिलेगा भोकाल और भी ज्यादा, सेम दाम पे.
कि I had to go back to Golu season 1 and वहाँ से I had to build season 2 का Golu again.
On one shooting day, I asked Devyendu, so how's it going for you? He said, यार कभी कभी ना बहुत डार्क हो जाता है.
You would see Munna maturing also, and at the same time going even madder also.
I enjoy all the scenes in the Tripathi house.
The darkness of the character, I mean, it stays with you at least for a week, 10 days at least.
Proud feel होंगे आप.
Hello everyone, welcome to Midday.com. We have with us the extremely talented cast of Mirzapur Season 2. Rasika Duggal, Divyendu Sharma and Shweta Tripathi Sharma. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, the first season of Mirzapur was one of the most successful web series ever. And, you know, the trailer of the second one is even more intriguing. You know, I just want to know right from the first season release till today, how often did you all have to answer this question, Mirzapur 2 kab aa rahi hai?
I think I've lost count, obviously, because it wasn't even asked in context to anything. I'd post about anything else, and the question, the first comment would be on social media would be, "But ma'am, Mirzapur season 2 kab aa raha hai?" So it wasn't even like it was in context of Mirzapur or whatever. So the fans are very loyal, and that's very lovely. It's very nice to know that so many people are watching your work.
किसी भी हाय हाउ आर यू से पहले, किसी भी इंट्रोडक्शन से पहले यही होता था कि सीजन 2 कब आ रहा है. तो ये सवाल का जवाब हम भी उतना ही पूछते थे, बिकॉज इवन वी वांटेड द आंसर, क्योंकि हमें भी देखना था कि क्या किया है, कैसा किया है, बाकियों ने क्या किया है, उनकी स्टोरी लाइंस में क्या हो रहा है. सो इस सवाल का हमारे पास जवाब नहीं था, और अब जवाब भी है और तोहफा भी है, जो कि 23 अक्टूबर को हम सबको देंगे.
So did any of you guys expect the kind of response that you got for season 1?
I mean, I always expected people to like the show, but yeah, the kind of intensity they have shown in liking the show is a little too much. It's just too overwhelming.
I think overwhelming is the correct word. That's exactly how all of us, even the makers, even the crew, we all feel the same thing. It feels wonderful. It's दिल खुश हो जाता है. आप जैसे अभी आपने ट्रेलर देखा, आप भी जो कह रहे हो, तो ये बहुत आई लव दीज इंटरव्यूज, क्योंकि सुनने में पता चलता है कि लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है, एंड हमें ये पता है कि आप लोग झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हो.
When the first season is so successful and popular, do you feel like, you know, there's some pressure to match up to it in any way?
I feel that the pressure is for the directors and the creators and the makers, and my heart goes out to them. But I actually take a lot of pressure while I'm shooting, but once I'm done shooting, I forget, I move on. And I feel like none of this is in my hands anyway. How a show is marketed, how successful or not it will be, or who will perceive what of it. It's not in my hands anyway, so there's no point stressing about it.
Yeah, no pressure for me as well. I mean, if you like it, it's good for you. If you don't like it, I mean, too bad. It's while you're at it, while you're performing, yes, you as an actor, you are 100% there. You want to do your best. Maybe so far excellent work of your life and whatever. There are a lot of things involved in a show. वो कितना पसंद आएगा, किस capacity में पसंद आएगा, उसका I don't think we should think too much about it.
You know, what I loved about the first season was also, you know, every character was fleshed out and written so well that, you know, they all had some or the other unique characteristic trait to them. So in the second season, with respect to your individual characters, was there anything that took you by surprise?
Definitely, at least for me, yes, definitely. I'm sure for everyone else as well.
Yes, for me as well, actually. I hadn't expected, I thought it was very interesting where they chose to pick up the character from in terms of her emotional space at that time. The story sees Beena in a very sort of robbed of her Beena-ness in one sense in the beginning of season 2. And you sort of see how she tries to recover from that and survive in this world and get the things that she wants, you know. So I think I hadn't expected that it would start there emotionally for the character. So that was something that I found interesting. And of course, it goes into many other things, which I'm always amazed and intrigued by what must be inside Puneet Krishna's mind to be able to write a script like this. And he always comes up with such unexpected things that it's always a treat.
Right. What about you, Shweta?
आई थिंक सिर्फ मेरा कैरेक्टर ही नहीं, सबके कैरेक्टर्स इतने कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं. जैसे सीजन 1 में जहां भी थे वो इतना सब कुछ हो गया है, जो सिचुएशन चेंज हो चुकी है. पीपल दैट यू लव द मोस्ट दे बीन टेकन अवे फ्रॉम यू. तो सबका, एंड फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से बीना डिडंट लूज सम, मतलब शी लॉस्ट फ्यू थिंग्स बट डिडंट लूज समबडी. तो लेकिन वो लॉस ना कहीं आपको बहुत चेंज कर देता है, और वो भी लॉस जब आप पे जबरदस्ती डाला गया हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि नेचुरल डेथ हो गई है, आपसे छीन लिए गए हैं लोग. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको बहुत चेंज कर देता है. तो टू अंडरस्टैंड गोलू इन सीजन 2 इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर मी, बिकॉज एक तो मैंने कभी सीजन 2 ऑफ ऐसा चीज की नहीं थी. क्योंकि अगर आप जैसे कोई फिल्म करते हो या सीजन 1 करते हो, तो आप सीजन 1 करते हो, यू डन इट, वो क्लोजर हो जाता है, देन यू मूव ऑन टू डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो इट्स लाइक अ रिलेशनशिप. बट यहाँ पे ये है कि आई हैड टू गो बैक टू गोलू सीजन 1, एंड वहां से आई हैड टू बिल्ड सीजन 2 का गोलू अगेन. तो वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था, एक्साइटिंग था, और बहुत ही ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था. मुझे तो बहुत नाइटमेयर्स आए इन सीजन 2. थैंकफुली जब मैं देखूंगी तो वापस नहीं आएंगे वो, टू हैप्पियर टाइम्स.
And Devendu being Munna Bhaiya, even badder than in the second season?
You know how things ended in season 1 mein. So it's basically a story of aftermath. So there's revenge which is there, and you would see Munna maturing also, and at the same time going even madder also. So it's a very nice cocktail this time. I hope people would like it.
As actors, almost all of you all have gone out of your comfort zone in this series. You know, if there was one scene in particular that moved you the most, what would that be?
तो सीजन 1 का जो लास्ट एपिसोड था, टू जस्ट सी people who matter to you so much, characters, and not only to you, to the story. And like I said, while making it also बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट था, क्योंकि जिस तरह जो लिखाई है, जो पुनीत जी हैं हमारे राइटर, ही इज जस्ट ब्रिलियंट, एंड ही इज माय वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट राइटर्स. तो जब वो गुड्डू को गोली लगी, जब मुन्ना आया, जब स्वीटी को गोली लगी, फिर वो बबलू का तड़पना, मतलब ऑल दैट इज सो फ्रेश इन माय माइंड. गुड्डू का नीचे गिरना, मुन्ना का आना, गोली लगना, मतलब लिटरली दैट इज व्हाट आई रिमेम्बर द मोस्ट. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने 9th एपिसोड सबसे ज्यादा देखा है, बट वो दिमाग में प्रिंट हो गई है वो चीजें. ऑल्सो आई थिंक सीजन 2 में दोज आर द मेमोरीज आई हैव रीलिव्ड द मोस्ट, क्योंकि दैट हैज गिवन मी अ लॉट ऑफ फ्यूल, दैट हैज लिटरली एडेड फ्यूल टू द फायर. तो वो बहुत ही अलग सा था. एंड ऑल्सो वो हमारा, दैट वाज माय लास्ट डे ऑफ शूट, द क्लाइमैक्स. I think even Devendu's climax.
Yeah.
So it was great in a way because we ended with that. तो बहुत ज़्यादा emotional roller coaster था.
This time भी Shweta, we were together only, right? Last day of shoot.
Oh yes, correct.
What would that be for you, Rasika and Devendu?
Rasika?
Thanks, Devendu. Lots of things, but the ones that I remember also, it's been a while now. So I really enjoyed the scenes between in season 1 between Golu and Sweetie. I thought it was a very beautiful sibling relationship, and I really enjoyed that. I think I missed it in season 2. I enjoy all the scenes in the Tripathi house. That house has something so ominous about it that it sort of feels creepy at any given second. It's just that everybody in that house is playing so many games with everybody else that all those scenes have a very strange urgency and energy, which is very intriguing. It's like everybody is कुछ और बोल रहे हैं और कुछ और कर रहे हैं, you know. So और वो relationships उनकी बहुत interesting है. In fact, जब हम shoot भी कर रहे थे, I remember there was once on one shooting day, I asked Devendu, so how's it going for you? He said, यार कभी-कभी ना बहुत डार्क हो जाता है, नहीं हैंडल हो रहा. So sometimes used to get overwhelmingly dark. And that house was really like, the walls were like sort of growing in on me and feeling very strange after being in there for 10-15 continuous days.
Yeah, and I don't think that we ever had a light, ऐसे ही हल्का फुल्का moment in our house. There was always drama, serious drama happening in every room of that house. That kind of a scene which had the most impact on me was compounder killing. That was a very big blow for my character, especially how he was involved in the whole plan, and उसने ही compounder से बोला था हमारे लिए काम कर दोगे, and compounder was the only one who really understood Munna or maybe cared about Munna. So to kill that very person with your hands is there was a very dark day. So yeah, like Rasika said, कभी-कभी बहुत dark हो जाता था. I mean, I used to just pray कि ये खत्म हो और मतलब मैं जाऊं यहाँ से.
Offset, once you go back home, were there things that still bothered you once the shooting was over and everything?
Yeah, definitely. Even after the show got over and everything, that 1 week, 10 days used to be weird. It does affect you. Definitely does affect you. Thankfully, we have a very fun team. So all of us, when we work together, so there is always that light-footedness. And after pack up, we all meet. Maybe share a drink, share a joke. So that way that really helps. But yeah, the darkness of the character, I mean, it stays with you at least for a week, 10 days, at least.
How did you overcome that? Like, was there anything specific that you did?
For me, like season 1 के बाद जब मैंने notice किया कि ये मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, that was, I started reacting a certain way. जैसे road पे जब गाड़ी चल रहा है, and people if they are not driving correctly, तो उस पे ज़्यादा react करना, एक तरीके से वो. So I noticed कि ये चीजें पहले भी होती थी, but ये चीजें मुझे पहले इतना bother नहीं करती थी. So and thankfully after season 1 मैं गया था एक फिल्म के लिए 32 गुल मीटर चालू, और उसके लिए मैं गया था उत्तराखंड, और वो बड़ी ही खूबसूरत और सीनिक जगह थी. मतलब मैं जब वहां गया और मैंने इस त्रिपाठी से, मुन्ना त्रिपाठी से सुंदर मोहन त्रिपाठी उस कैरेक्टर का नाम था, वो भी एक त्रिपाठी, उसके लिए शेव करा और मैं वहां की उत्तराखंड की वादियों में खड़ा हुआ. मैंने वो ऑक्सीजन इनहेल किया and I was like, man, I so needed this. So that place really helped me.
I had recently spoke to Ali also, and he had said that he was doing a scene where he remembers his brother, and suddenly he got emotional while doing the scene. And it was not an emotional scene. Did you guys also miss anyone from the cast from the first season while you all were shooting for the second season?
Definitely. I mean, especially Sweetie and Bablu को तो बहुत ज़्यादा मिस किया. And क्योंकि मेरे तो season 1 में scenes भी जो थे majority they were with Sweetie. So really miss them, yeah. But I think that missing really helped us in season 2 a lot with our emotional graph. बस इतना ही कहेंगे.
Yeah.
It's actually hard to say what you carry from something and what you don't, and how it manifests itself later in your life. It's very difficult to sort of pinpoint it. At least I find it a little hard.
Yeah, definitely.
क्योंकि वो समझ नहीं आता है कि कब क्या कहाँ रह गया और कब कैसे निकल कर आएगा. Because these things are so experiential, they're not really understood by you. And I think the beauty of it is that you can't really understand it. The beauty of it is that it's more visceral than that. मतलब कुछ चीजें रह जाती हैं कहीं बहुत समय बाद कहीं और निकल के आती हैं, फिर लगता है कि शायद it was because of those 15 days that I spent inside the Tripathi house that is making me remember this or whatever. And that's the beauty of our work, I think. And so I'm not really sure what of Veena I carried or not, or what of that experience I still carry with myself. It's hard to tell.
While all of you all have played absolutely versatile characters in other films and shows, do you all feel that Mirzapur in a way has added another dimension to your overall profile as actors? Like, did you feel it helped break the mold in any way?
Yes, big time.
For all of us.
If you had to describe Mirzapur season 2 in one sentence, how would you do it?
Bigger, grander, and more nuanced.
गुरु अब मिलेगा भोपाल और भी ज्यादा, same दाम पे.
मुन्ना का डायलॉग बोलना चाहूंगी सीजन 1 से कि प्राउड फील होंगे आप. फैंस को, पेरेंट्स को, फैमिली को, फ्रेंड्स को, सब को यही कि भाई प्राउड फील होंगे आप.
Thank you guys so much. It was lovely talking to you all. Really looking forward to seeing the second season.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.